What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at how to build your own Kydex Keel Guard for your kayak. So you're going to need a sheet of Kydex, something to cut it with, a heat gun, some double-sided outdoor rated tape, and possibly a little silicone to go around the edge. So this is the 0.8 thickness of Kydex. I'm using the shiny side out. The flat side I figured would be a little better for adhering with the tape, double-sided tape. I bought a 12 by 12 sheet. I cut in half with the razor knife, and then I cut the two halves in half. I've got 4 3 by 12 strips. So that was a minute, maybe a minute or two, and look at that. It's like leather now. Oh yeah. It sure is warm. Really feel it. I can feel it changing shape as I push down. It's going to be kind of hard to get this whole thing at once, though. I think we're going to have to kind of get the front and then work the back. This is feeling really good right here. Kind of molding it before it cools off too much. This one's going to be a lot flatter, so maybe I can get it even quicker. No less hotter though. This thing is hot. A lot of heat. A lot of heat coming off of it. Somewhat unpleasant. And that's about how long it takes. It's still warm, but I can feel it's rigid again. It's a pretty good fit. This one has popped up again a little bit. I'm gonna heat right here, just so we have a flatter seam right here. So there we go. It's been about a minute or two, and this piece is looking real leathery. Look at that. Should be a little easier to form than the front. Flatter up here and just kind of goes into a V. Alright, so I'm going to go in for a close-up. Here's what we got up front. Here's the rear piece. Got a little double-sided tape. I'm just going to line the back of all the keel guards with the tape and then go around the edge with some silicone. Getting this double-sided tape off has been one of the more challenging aspects of this whole thing. Just put 2 long pieces and one at the end. I kind of rounded the corners up here before I glued it on, taped it on. Finally, back on the fish. He keeps going down. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's... You might have noticed, at least on this sheet of Kydex, it's got a really smooth side here and then a textured side. I went ahead with the textured side being adhered to the bottom of the kayak and the smooth side left to cut through the water or get dragged on the boat ramp. I don't know. If you have a preference one way or the other, be sure and leave it down in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more.